small quick video walk around for 2014 Prius, as you can see. Clean car, nice tires. No warning lights on the dashboard. Navigation, backup camera, very clean. Been disinfected. Interior was steamed. Carpets were cleaned. Tires are nice. Brake pads are nice. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My name is Mark. I'm always so concentrated. Steering wheel is nice, buttons working, rear one's working, cold air conditioner, of course, we're in Florida. Just move this car out of the way. And any questions, once again, my name is Mark from Always Solve 123. Feel free to call me. Thank you so much.